Hi, this video is going to go over how to add fields that clients or candidates can fill out in a document. So first, in your mission control, go to that drop down and select document templates. Once you're on this page, so if you already have a document that you want to add a field, you'll click edit and do these next steps. So we'll click add a new one, and let's just do one that might need information like background check. And so these fields here are something that is automatically, we'll pull information from that candidate or client, whatever we decide who is getting this. So if it was candidate, it's going to pull that information from their application and automatically put it in. But if you want information where they need to fill it out, you're going to go into, let's do just background check. You need a social security number. And what you're going to do is you're going to click add field, and let's do social security number. And if you want it required, click this box and click add, and it will auto populate this field. Click it. And if you want to put it under, that way a box, or if you want to put it next to it, that is fine as well. And what will happen is when the client or candidate, whoever filling this out, pulls up this document to fill out, they're going to have a box here, a text field box, where they're going to be able to enter in that information. So, driver ID number, go and label this, make it required. If you don't want to require, just uncheck that box, click add. It's going to populate this next one. And you keep doing that for every field that you want them to add information in, where they're going to text it in, so it will be put in there. So it doesn't look like it here, but when they do open it, it does show a text box where they can enter in that information. You can add these fields to any document that you want them to fill information out. So if you did, this is signed by both client or candidate, what's going to happen is this field is going to, when you pop up and add a new one, it's going to ask if you want it to be filled by the client or candidate. This way you can separate the fields. If you only want the client to fill out any information, but then the candidate fill out more information, that's where you're going to be able to do that. So you're going to, maybe I want the client to fill this out. You would just select that, add it in. You can make it required or not, or if you want a candidate to fill it out. And when you do click this is signed by both, it's going to populate more of these automated fields. So, the client's first name, last name, and then also candidate. So it's going to pull it from their profile and automatically put in. But these are fields that are going to have to be filled in by either the client or candidate, whoever is filling out this form. So that's how you can add fields for them to fill out in a document template.